What up guys, my name is Tony and today I'm gonna teach you 5 F2L cases that will help you shave some seconds several times. I got a special bonus tip at the end of the video that you definitely won't wanna miss out. The first trick is very simple, yet many beginners don't know about it. It saves you one rotation and it goes like this. What? This one is almost the same as you do using LBL method, but the end is a little bit changed just so you avoid the cube rotation. Guys, don't forget, there's the bonus tip in the end. If you've ever stumbled upon an idea, is there a way to avoid dot cases in OLL? Well, there is, and you do it by solving the last pair differently. Let's say you're solving this case, and you see there's no oriented yellow edge. So you normally connect it, but instead of inserting it to its slot regularly, which would give you a dot case, insert it with sledgehammer. Magic. If you are frustrated by always having to rotate in order to solve this case, I'm here to get you out of this precarious situation. What is half 1, you ask? Watch this video to find out. It stands for handy AF and you use it in this case. How many of these you didn't know? Write it down in the comments, but now there's the secret bonus I've been talking about. It's not exactly F2L related, I just really wanted to share it with you guys cause it's just so useful. Honestly, if you didn't know about it, your life will be fundamentally changed after you see it. This had to happen to you at least once if you've been cubing for a while. You solve the cross and you want to move to the first pair, but you notice these two cross edges being swapped. Well, let's fix it. The alg for that goes like this. If you came this far, please consider subscribing, it costs you nothing and it helps out a lot. Watch the first video if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.